Embracing positivity. Good times ahead, explained. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very uplifting and optimistic phrase in the English language. Good times ahead. This phrase is more than just words. It's a beacon of hope and positivity. If you've been curious about what this phrase truly means and how you can use it in your daily conversations, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this journey of learning together. Good times ahead is a phrase filled with optimism. It's often used to express the belief or hope that the future will be pleasant or enjoyable. When someone says, "good times ahead," they are essentially looking forward to a period where things will be better than they are right now. This could relate to personal success, happiness, or any positive experiences. Casual conversations. In casual settings, good times ahead can be used to uplift someone's spirits or to express excitement about the future. For example, if a friend is starting a new job, you might say, "Good times ahead for you, my friend." Professional contexts. Even in professional settings, this phrase can be subtly incorporated. Perhaps at the end of a successful meeting, one might say, "With these plans in place, there are certainly good times ahead for our company." Written communication. In emails or letters, especially when concluding a message on a hopeful note, you might write, "Looking forward to good times ahead." While good times ahead is generally seen as positive, it's important to be sensitive to the context in which you use it. During times of hardship or in serious situations, using this phrase might seem out of touch or insensitive. Always consider the feelings and circumstances of your audience. Good times ahead is more than a phrase. It's a reflection of hope, positivity, and looking forward to better days. Whether you're using it in personal conversations, professional settings, or in your writing, this phrase has the power to uplift and inspire. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you feel more confident in using "good times ahead" in your English conversations. Until next time, keep learning and stay positive.